Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to the channel, hello and welcome. You are now tuned in to Civic Dad. In today's episode, we're going to be improving the Civic's handling by adding a new front sway bar and Endlinks.
You're goddamn right.
So the first step in this install, you're going to need front lower control arms from a 96 to 2000 Civic Ex. These control arms are different than what comes on the factory Civic Ex, as they already have the mounting points for the sway bar Endlinks. So we're going to get the car on jacks, get the wheels off, and get to work. The Civic already has a rear sway bar that I installed with the suspension. With that being said, I figured it'd be best to balance out the suspension and the handling by adding a front sway bar.
Perfectly balanced, as all things should be.
The cool thing about this install is it's relatively easy. The only thing you really have to do is swap out your stock lower control arms for the EX lower control arms. The mounting points for the sway bar bushings, they already come on the car, which is actually a plus. It's less work for you. You will have to do some work, which involves removing the lower control arm by taking off a castle nut from the hub assembly and breaking it loose from the lower control arm. From that point, you will loosen the bolts that hold the control arm to the subframe. It's fairly easy. You can use regular hand tools for this. To the rear of the subframe, there are 3 bolts as well that need to be removed in order for the lower control arm to come out. Once that's done, the new lower control arm will slide right in.
Six and a half hours later.
So as you can see, the 96 to 2000 Civic EX actually has lower control arms that have the mount for the Endlinks, as the EX came with a front sway bar, and since the Honda Civic CX did not come with a front sway bar, we're going to go ahead and change that and get this thing installed. Before installing the sway bar, I took the opportunity to upgrade the sway bar bushings to polyurethane bushings from Energy Suspension. These have a harder, firmer feel and gives the sway bar more overall control. On top of upgrading the sway bar bushings, I also upgraded the sway bar Endlinks. I decided to go with the rubber bushings as they were a little bit cheaper and they were more readily available. As well as replacing the lower control arms, you will have to disconnect your shift linkage as well as your exhaust in order to fish the sway bar up and around and into place. It's been 4 months and a lot has already happened with this build. We've done suspension, we've changed out the audio system as well as the shifter, installed a push to start ignition, as well as keyless entry.
Nice.
On top of that, we've done an intake manifold swap, an intake install, painted the valve cover, and there's so much more that I have planned for this car. So I hope you guys stick around because this is going to be an epic build once it's all said and done. I'm super excited. I'm happy that I can share this with you all. I hope you find some sort of inspiration and motivation to keep you guys going and continue to work on your builds. Again, you guys watching these videos motivate me. You guys subscribing, interacting with me, liking, commenting. That is my motivation. And again, like I've said before, I really appreciate each and every one of you. So thank you. The holiday seasons are coming up, and I wish you guys the happiest and merries of Christmases and the happiest and merries of holidays. This will be my last video for the 2025 year. 2026 is coming soon, and I have big plans and major projects coming along the way. So please stay tuned for that. Ride with me just a little bit longer, and let's get this. If you like this content and you want to see more, please consider hitting that subscribe button. It's a small move for you, but it means a lot to me. Also, if you have any comments, concerns, or suggestions, or you just want to say hi, go ahead and leave them in the comments section. I try my hardest to reply to all the comments that come through. Consider giving me a follow on Instagram at civic_dad98. There I post daily content and ongoings of what's going on with the car that don't make it to YouTube, such as photos, shorts, and again, to all my subscribers and all the viewers out there, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.